This is something I made when I was at art school, just to hold watercolour paper, and it was an easel, and I used to go off painting with this for watercolour painting. And it's a piece of, this is just old wood, this is a bit of chipboard, this is other bits of wood and a bit of canvas I've just pinned to the wood so that it makes a hinge, and I'll put it together with a bit of string and a couple of nails. And it's got two bits of string to hold it out, and then there's just bits of old wood to give it some support, and I've got some nails which hold the piece of watercolour paper here. And then this painted surface of the chipboard, which I think might have been a sort of melamine, but you could just paint it, was the palette. So it was waterproof. You'd have a little bowl of water and you'd mixed your paints here and paint there. So it was and of course it goes on your lap. It's an easel. It's a portable easel. That's what it is.